Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Luisa. I hope everybody's doing well. I just came in from outside. It is a beautiful day in Arlington, Virginia today, and whenever it's sunny, I always try to sit outside for at least 20 minutes because I love how the sun feels. I love the warmth of the sun. It just, and just knowing that I'm getting vitamin D is really important for me. So anyway, guys, I'm very excited today because I have a package from Beebeecraft, and I ordered some items. They reached out to me a few weeks ago and asked me to select some products and make a couple of videos. So today I'm going to do the unboxing, and then I will follow that up with a couple of tutorials using the items that I purchased from Beebeecraft. And I think you're going to really enjoy that. I wanted to also mention about their YouTube program. So if you're a YouTube creator and you have over 100 subscribers, you qualify for this program. And it's really cool because what you do is you apply for it, and then you get to buy free products, and you get to try new products and then share your finished pieces on your channel. So I think that's a pretty good deal. But anyway, I'm going to leave a link for that down below, as well as a link to all the items that I'm going to be showing you today. And without further ado, let's go ahead and turn the camera around and we'll get started. Before we open up the shipment, I want to show you the website really quick. Here it is, beebeecraft.com. And it's a pretty big website, I must warn you. They have tons and tons of items, lots and lots to choose from. Obviously, you got the search box there, so the search box will help a lot. But this site is huge. It's absolutely humongous. I mean, it'll take you a long time to get through it because they have lots and lots of items, but it's very well laid out, as you can see. So whatever it is that you're looking for, whether it's glass beads or gemstones or seed beads or lampwork beads, it's all very well categorized here in the navigation. So it's not a bad website to navigate through. All right, let's go ahead and open up the shipment. I can't wait. Okay, let's take a look and see what we received. I'm going to go ahead and cut this open and I'll be right back. Looks like it's been wrapped pretty nicely. Let's have a look. Okay, so here are the contents of the bag. I only got 3 items, but that's because each one was worth quite a bit and I could only order to a certain dollar amount. But these are really, really nice items. You know what? Let's go ahead and go through each one. Okay, so the first item is a box of 18mm flat back resin cabochons, and there are 180 pieces in this box. Let me open it up and take a closer look. Okay, nicely packaged, and here's a nice little box that you can definitely use to store other items later on. Okay, let's have a look at these. And I said 18mm, but these are actually 12mm flat backs, and they come in all kinds of colors, all kinds of designs. And the reason I got these is because I've been working with a lot of bezels lately, the connector link bezels, and I've got a bunch of 12mm size bezels that I need to use up, so I thought I would get something to put into them. And these are really neat because I just love all the colors. Let me just bring it up closer. I'll put some on my palm and we'll take a closer look. There's a black one, there's a blue one, there's a silver one, another silver one, and here they are close up. Very interesting looking, very shiny. Here's one that's kind of a AB finish or AB glitter. So they look like they have glitter inside of them, some of them, and then some of them are textured, so they're not smooth, which is nice because I always like to add a little bit of texture to my necklaces. I love that color, that's gorgeous. So anyway, guys, look at this. This is a huge selection of colors, all kinds of possibilities. So you could add these to, you can glue them on components, You can definitely use them in connector links like I'm going to do. And yeah, these are really cool. I like these. You can decorate components with these if you feel like you need a little splash of color or a little bit of sparkle. You can definitely glue these onto components. And I just like the idea of having different colors, you know, because it gives me a lot of options. It's very versatile. You can use it in a lot of different projects. So these are really cool. And for the box, it was pretty reasonable. The box was only $15.80 for 180 pieces. And it looks like there are 3 different styles in here. One of them looks like a scales. I don't know if you can see that. And the other one is glittery. And then the other one looks kind of textured, bumpy kind of a finish. All different colors. So that's the first item. All right, let's move on to the next item. Before we move on, I wanted to show you how I was going to use them. As you can see, these are some metal connector bezel links, and they pop right inside. And I just love these because I can see these as accents on a necklace, or even, you know, you could make a bracelet out of these. So yeah, I'm real excited about these. These are going to be really, really, really pretty in some kind of jewelry design. All right, now let's move on. Okay, next is a bag of, it's actually a strand of half rainbow plated, flat, round, medium turquoise electroplated beads. And it's a pretty big strand. They're 6mm, and there are about 72 beads in the strand. And I love using flat beads, coin beads. I love using them as accents in a necklace. And these are just absolutely gorgeous. Let me bring them up close so you can take a look. A lot of sparkle. And so, because it's rainbow, you can see all kinds of colors, obviously. You can see purplish tones, greenish tones, bluish tones, pink, peach, all kinds of colors, very pretty. 72 pieces, and it's a big strand, and I paid $7.39 for this. Very, very nice. I'm going to use these a lot somewhere, definitely. Okay, let's move on to the third item. The next item is a bag of natural Kesha pearl beads, flat round beads, and they're in a lilac color. And I think there are like between 28 and 30 beads in this strand. Look how long that is. But the thing I liked about this is the color. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this gorgeous color. Very, very pretty. And I'm going to be using this one, this item in a tutorial that I'm going to be making for you guys pretty soon. So look out for that. And I just love wearing pearls in the summertime. I like combining pearls and gemstones and crystals. So anyway, this long strand with 28 to 30 pieces cost me $12.95. Not bad at all for what you get. Those are quite a few beads. Anyway guys, that's it. This is the shipment, and this is a sneak peek of the tutorials that are coming up. I'm going to be using this, and I'm going to be using the crystals for sure, and of course the beautiful resin cabochons. I'm going to be using these as well in some sort of design, so look out for that. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.